Today's video is going to be the Spring 2021 FabFitFun unboxing. I know I've been gone for like a little over a month now. I went back to the States. I think I said that on here, but if not, I said it on Instagram. Go follow me over there. Well, not months, but this season's FabFitFun box. Again, this box is a huge box. If you guys don't know, I do pay for this box all on my own. I just got it. This is only my second box from them. If you hear the dogs playing, I'm so sorry. And we're just gonna open it. So I do the quarterly payment plan. So I get to choose like 3 or 4 items, I think. So I do choose some of the stuff in the box. Dogs, calm down. Oh, and I totally suck. I already opened this and looked at everything. Get like a little FabFitFun magazine, and it tells you about basically all of the products in your box. The first thing that I chose to go in my box is this little wicker, or not wicker, this is rattan? I think it's rattan. Is that how you say it? I don't know. Super cute, and it's nice quality. Tray alone is worth $45. So basically this tray paid for the box already. Next thing is another item that I specifically chose. These are Lark and Ives little hair, hopefully I said that right. Lark and Ives hair scarves. So, came with 2, I believe, and this cute little carrying pouch. One is like a cream, kind of champagne color, and then the other one is pink with some like floral designs. I'm sure if you have a TikTok, you've seen, I don't know how you put them on like they do, but they do like, I think it's like a thing from the 50s, I could be wrong, but they like put it on their head in the car. Yeah, this is how they do it. I'm so ridiculous, oh my god. And then you like tie it around your neck. Okay, and then they put sunglasses on, and they look so freaking cute. Like, look. That is why I wanted these hair scarves, because I saw that on TikTok, and I don't mind driving with like the windows down and stuff, but I absolutely hate when my hair is like everywhere and getting tangled. And hair scarves are worth $30. This item is, again, another one that I chose. Like I said, I already opened these, so they're open. But this is a Pro Brush kit, so it's a makeup brush set. Oh my goodness. Okay, so you get 3 of these smaller brushes. Can you even see them? Small brush that was hiding. And then you get 6 brushes total. Just an angled little tiny brush for like your eyebrows or eyeliner. Excuse me, sir. Powder brush. So I've got 6 brushes in this. The $1 Billion Brushes 6 set kit was $62. Remover pad things. I have a makeup eraser. It's not the makeup eraser brand, but it's just one that I got from one of the drugstores here in Germany. Use makeup wipes again, but these are awesome. So these are little makeup rounds, and they're so soft. So they're so blown out because of the exposure. There we go. So they're just super soft little makeup pads, makeup remover pads, and yeah. I don't know which I would use these for. I guess just your face. I'll have to try these and see if I like these better than the towel. So yeah, the 3-pack of reusable beauty rounds is worth $15. Next thing is this Pure Iconic Glow Illuminating Face and Body Dry Oil. I don't know what makes an oil dry, but okay. Yes, this is beautiful. Okay, so packaging, super pretty. And then here is the oil. Apply this antioxidant-rich oil to your face and body for a radiant shimmer. So it's kind of just to give you a little shimmer, you know, in the sunshine. This body oil is worth $28. Guess I'm gonna try it. This would be super pretty. I'm going to Mexico with my family in like literally 3 months. And this would be really pretty if I have like a nice tan. Okay, and then I'm gonna rub it in. Okay, I see what they mean by dry oil kind of, because it's oily, it is an oil, but it's not oily like, I don't know, like a face serum would be. Ome, probably said that wrong. Brightening and I'll put the word on the screen. Let me read what the heck this is. The brand is Earth Harbor. So this Earth Harbor Marina Biome Brightening, whatever the word is. This oil features spirulina and blue tansy, I do know what that is, to vigorously brighten and balance the skin. So yes, it's like face oil, I think. And it's worth $38. Add 2 or more drops to your skin after cleansing and toning. So it's like a face serum. We can never have too many of those. True. They're like summery looking. So here is the bottle. I'm gonna have to do close-ups of all the products and just like throw them into the video because I don't think you can see anything I'm showing you. Again, doesn't really have like a huge smell. It's probably not scented, it's probably super natural. One more item, just kidding. This got like hidden in the box. So these are an item, did I choose these? I don't know. I don't know if I chose these or not. Pouts Out lip masks. 4 of these lip masks. Now I have no reason to be hoarding my one because I have multiple now. So yeah, it's a gold foil lip mask. It's vegan and it does not say that it's cruelty free. Oh, this one is also made in Korea, so it's a Korean beauty mask. For 10 or 15 minutes, remove it and gently rub in the excess product to the skin. Total of the items that I received in my box so we can see how much value I got for my money. Guys, the price on the lip masks were worth $16 for all 4. Thing that I received in my box this month, and the total comes to $234. Value is what they say it is. Yeah. And then of course you get your, every month they send some coupons, like this one is for Vitamin Company, and this one is for HelloFresh, which we want to try HelloFresh here in Germany. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I seriously appreciate it so freaking much that you are here and watching my content. The next video you will see is probably going to be my 6-week update on my surgery. Guys, so much for watching. The next FabFitFun video will be the summer box, which will be really fun, I think. Yeah, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. The content is getting so much better over there with all the warmer weather and stuff. I'm switching up my feed also a little bit more. And don't forget to, as usual, like, comment, and subscribe. That really helps me out, and yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much. Bye!